how are you today? Today we will review together letter O. How we sound it, its shape, how to write it, and some words with letter O. First of all, the sound of letter O. Do you remember how do we sound letter O? I can show how. O, 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 O. O, 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 O. Let us do it together. O, 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 O. O, 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 O. Now we will learn how to write letter O. Who can tell me what's the shape of letter O? Yes, it's right. It has a shape of a circle. How to write it? Let's see together. O, O. This is a capital O. This is a small O. Let's see some words that have letter O. O, open. O, open. O, onion. O, onion. O, orange. O, orange. Yes. Now we will put a circle the letter O. O, orange. This is a letter O. O, onion. This is a letter O. And second letter O. This is a O, open.